Hey guys, it's Leanna. I'm making a video taking down my Peel and Stick wallpaper because it's enjoyable to watch the time lapse, and because I know a lot of people are interested in Peel and Stick wallpaper. They're just not sure if they want to use it, so now you guys can see me take it down and see if it goes smoothly and if it affects or doesn't affect my walls. So let's go watch me take it down. The white brick wallpaper has been up for a year now, which is kind of hard to believe, and it continues around the corner, so it's on 2 walls. It's Threshold brand, and it's safest to use it on eggshell, premium, or semi-gloss paint. This is the actual speed I'm pulling at before I start the time lapse. For most of this part, I put them up piece by piece so I wouldn't need to worry about continuity. It was just easier. And my biggest fear happened. And then it happened again. And I know you're seeing that at the beginning, but just know that for the most part, it comes off just fine. I think how skinny I cut them is a big factor, not to mention how tiny that section of the wall is.
California, purple lights around, and on the streets they walk, assuming all that they see. Artificial light flickers in every window until we see their face, masked in mystery.
I'm gonna unmute it for a second so you can hear what it actually sounded like. You'll want to buy your rolls of wallpaper within the same lot number, and that lot number will be on the packaging, so that way they're going to line up correctly. But with how I cut mine and continued it, I ended up having to cover some bricks on top of where they met, so that's what that is. On that whole wall, it was these 2 small spots in this weird little section, and I think the awkward dimensions of that section are a huge reason that the paint came up.
Pocket glasses, all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Shawty was a brick wall. Over, under, through her, none of that at all. She needs to be knocked down and rebuilt again. Maybe next fall she'll fall.
Some more paint started to peel just underneath the skinny piece right on the edge of the wall, so it's making me wonder if the skinny piece is what makes the paint more likely to come up.
Take your time. Hey, take your time. Take your time, baby, day by day. I'll rub your spine, cause you got the weight of the world on your shoulders.
And a few more spots on the edge of the wall with that same strip. And that's as bad as it got. It's only uphill from here. Cue the upbeat music. It was 5 spots total, and they're all on the very edge, which I'm sure is not a coincidence. The rest of the wall looks good, and no residue left behind anywhere. The flamingos have been up for 8 months, which is even harder to believe. And this one is Paper brand.
Say it'll I'm done with all these fake friends. I don't have time to pretend that you care about me when you don't. You treat me like I'm less than, so tell all of your new friends how I am the worst. Put on a show. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you.
My advice to you is don't use an X-Acto knife on the edge of it after you put the wallpaper up, and that won't happen. One small spot under the towel holder, and then one tiny spot there. And then one more tiny spot under the other towel holder. And no residue.
Said it's time to let it go. Yeah, it's time for me to go.
So as you can see, it didn't go perfectly for me, but like I said, the X-Acto knife I shouldn't have used, and it seems like smaller strips make the paint a little bit more likely to come up. But take my situation with a grain of salt, because I know plenty of people, I'm sure, have taken down theirs and had absolutely no paint come up, and there are other YouTube videos of people removing theirs. So when you do just a full panel slowly, you honestly should be fine. If it's your house, for sure, don't worry about it. You can always touch up the paint. And I'm not even too worried, even though I'm in an apartment. So I hope this was enjoyable for you to watch, even if you weren't interested in peel and stick wallpaper. And if you are, I hope this gives you a better idea of the possibilities, but also the benefits of it, making your wall look cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still here, please comment below white brick or pink flamingo. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye. Because they don't know how it's gonna handle, or how the walls are gonna handle it. So this way you can see, have used that. And then I also think and it wraps from one wall, and it wraps from one wall.